Hello and welcome to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with this guitar lesson today called Santa Claus is Coming to Town Guitar Tutorial, and that's coming up. Merry Christmas! Thanks for coming by the channel. Welcome and Merry Christmas. It's almost that time. And this year's going to be very special because we're going to be allowed to be around our families and friends. Hope you're enjoying the season. And I've got a special guitar lesson for you. And this is the greatest time of year, Christmas time. And I just want to say thank you for supporting the channel. And if this is your first time here, have a look around. If you like what you see, consider subscribing for more guitar tips and tricks. And without prolonging this any further, go ahead and click that link right there to get the playlist on how to play Santa Claus is Coming to Town Guitar Tutorial. Thanks and Merry Christmas.